Comprehensive Component Monitor, CCM. There are several different monitors on a vehicle that checks or tests on emissions failures. One is the Comprehensive Component Monitor. The Comprehensive Component Monitor, CCM, checks for opens, shorts, grounds, and rationality. If there is an issue on a non-functional component, there is a good chance the CCM will turn on the check engine light. Remember, the CCM tests for actuator performance. For example, if the engine takes too long to warm up because of a defective thermostat, a P0128 code will set. Or if the IAC is commanded on by the PCM and the PCM sees no response from the RPM, it will fail and the check engine light will come on. So remember, the CCM will check for the performance of each individual actuator. When OBD1 did not check performance, OBD2 did. The CCM confirmed if a command was sent out to an actuator, that component performed correctly.